Okay, folks, so this is strategy number 24 on my road to 100 strategies coded 100 days in a row. So you see the profit factor on this one here is 2.35 and the win rate is 50%. So that's not bad at all. If you look at the equity curve looks pretty good as well. See if we can, well, there's a trade analysis and it just shows you the longs and the shorts and gives you a comparison breakdown of the two. There's the equity curve there. Now this strategy was based on a short that I looked at, and we'll get to that. But first, visit my website, successoverstress.net. We've got tools on there, how-tos, tutorials. We've got the information for the strategies on there on the side. So by all means, visit that. But this strategy was based on a short that I saw, and essentially we're looking for a somewhat of a PinBar. So we're looking for a lower low that wicks down, comes back up into the range of the candle before it. When that happens, then we drop down to the smaller time frame and look for the break of that ground zero candle, and then we're looking for a fair value gap to enter on. Target that higher time frame high, and then the bottom of the fair value gap is your stop loss. It didn't work bad at all. It was a little tedious to program, but we had about 10 variables. And then with the 10 variables, we just had one method that I used. Typically, I use a lot of methods, but I only use one method. It was to check for the fair value gap once all those other conditions were met in order. We did have about 4 or 5 flags to make sure those conditions did happen in order, though. And then we had a code block to monitor the market position. So if we were in a position, we were looking for our exits, and we did exit at the end of the day. So we were only looking for entries during the market day, and we would exit any position at the end of the day. Beyond that, it was pretty basic. When we found our entry, we would capture in our variables, we would capture the stop loss, take profit, the risk amount. We captured all that. And we also counted the bars. When we found that ground zero candle, we would start a bar count so that when we were checking for the fair value gap, we could look back that number of bars to see what and where the fair value gap was. So this was not easy, but it was doable, and we did it. Come join us. Come check us out on successoverstress.net, and you can find this strategy in the 100-day challenge section. I'm Eric. I'm out. Peace.